Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Classroom to dark mode. First of all, open your Google Classroom. To that, sign into the classroom. Over here, we couldn't find any the dark mode. What you have to do is pop up another page and look out for the Chrome Web Store. Over here on the top, search for the extensions. Look out for the dark mode. Over here, select one of the dark mode that you prefer and select Add to Chrome and select Add Extension. Over here, we could see select this option on the top and pin it and go to your Google Classroom. Over here on the top we could see the dark mode pin. Select the dark mode option and refresh the page. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.